you've ever argued with a friend about whether the answer is 1 or 9, you've been tricked by PEMDAS. Today, I will show you why the way most people apply PEMDAS is wrong and how it secretly causes you to lose marks in tests. By the end of this video, you will never fall for this trap again. Let's fix it step by step. Hi, I am Miss Becca and I help you make math click one step at a time. If you want to stop guessing in math and start understanding, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. So here is what we were all taught, that PEMDAS or board mass, they are the same, means parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. That's simple, right? But this is where most students go wrong. They think multiplication always comes before division and addition always comes before subtraction. But that's not true. Now, let's take a look at an example. Most students will solve this and say, okay, PEMDAS, multiplication comes before division, and they multiply before they divide by saying 8 divided by 4 times 2 is 8 and this gives 1. But this is not correct. So what is the correct way to solve this? The PEMDAS rule says multiplication and division are on the same level. So whenever you see multiplication and division in the same question, you solve from left to right. This means that the PEMDAS rule is more like PEMA, that is parentheses, exponent, then multiplication or division. Then you move to addition or subtraction. So M and D, they are on the same level, on the same hierarchy, and then A and S are on the same hierarchy. That being said, what is the right way to solve this? That means we have to divide before we multiply. That gives 8 divided by 4 gives 2. Then we have 2 times 2 to give 4, which is correct. So here is the truth. You solve parentheses first, then you solve the exponent, then you solve multiplication or division, whichever one comes first. Then you move to addition or subtraction. So it is more of a PEMAS formula than PEMDAS. Once you know this, you will never fall for any PEMDAS trick again. Now let's try a trickier example. Let's take a look at this. We have division, we have multiplication, then we have the parentheses. So we start by solving the parentheses first. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So this expression becomes 12 divided by 3 times 3, since we got 3 here, then minus 4. We've sorted out the parentheses and we do not have any exponent here. The next thing now is multiplication or division. Which one appears first? Division. So we have to divide before we multiply. Now 12 divided by 3 gives 4. Then we have times 3 minus 4. And the next one is multiplication before subtraction. 4 times 12 is 12, and 12 minus 4 will give 8. So the correct answer to this is 8, not 0, not 4. Every step matters. You go from left to right whenever multiplication and division appear together, and whenever addition and subtraction appear together, you move from left to right. Now let's test your new understanding. Solve this. 20 divided by 5 times 2 plus 8 divided by 4, and leave your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, imagine what the next one will do. You can also check out my full PEMDAS playlist for more step-by-step math lessons that make math click. I am Miss Becca and see you in the next video.